So, student, as I am continuing from the previous video of the CSV, so in this particular CSV, what you have seen that master, I have shown you how to create the master in Excel master file, and there I have given the names and all the columns. But you must be very sure and very much perfect about the thing that in index column here the name is in capital letter, so you have to write what you have written in that way. Those things should be same as it is, like the age is there, okay, in capital letter, and those the names are there in capital letter, so those things should be there in a uh, in the file. CSV means comma separated values, okay, that is known as a CSV files is. So this is what is your CSV file is. Now again I am opening it master CSV, just a minute. See here, master CSV, okay. So master CSV is there. This master CSV, what happened, yeah, uh, possible why they are showing some feature might be lost if you save this worksheet with a comma delimitives .csv format to present the feature. Save it is means they are giving a warning because all will come if you save it. I have already saved it. If you saved it, it will come with a comma. You can see in your machine, but I am just ignoring it. Okay, so I'm just ignoring it, this particular message. So see here, all the things has been given in a capital letter, and so you will give them in a capital letter also. Okay, so this is the thing what is there. Now if you run the program, if you run this program, see it, what it will going to show to you. Okay, the output that will going to show to you, very simple program it is, very simple program it is. See it, that means what I have given master CSV, first the name, and with name the first data what I want to see, age. Isn't it very easy thing? Just you do it and save it in the CSV format. See the previous video, and that you will going to save it as an age. After the save the thing is in age, what it will happen, see name and age is there. Okay, name and age is there. I can close this one if you are having any. Okay, I am running it again, this particular program. See here, now you can see it, that first I have given a what name, and with the respect of the name, age. So name and age is there. Clear. So after that, what I have said in the second data sheet, lock means lock down, lock this particular data, don't show any other data. That means what are the data, Ranjit and I have said Suman. Okay, so Suman and Ranjit is there along with their all the thing, SID, class, section, address, isn't it, age, house. Now next what I have given, I have given the name, two name along with the age, address, house and section. Okay, yeah, so age, address, house and section. So along with an age, address, house and section. So age, address, house and section. Now see here, in the case of Sujit, what happened? I haven't inserted any values there. Okay, I haven't inserted any values there. See here, Sujit is not there. Okay, Sujit value is not there. Since the Sujit value is not there, it is showing the data, but what is NaN, 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 about NaN I have said to you, non-applicable. Okay, so this the thing is there. Now those the values are been showing to you. What is name, what I want to say, house. Okay, colon, house and age. That means name should be there. This is my index column. That means this will be my first column. House will be there. So these are the things there. Now suppose I want to change this. Okay, I want to change this third. I want to enter one more data form. That is the fourth data. Okay, do fourth data. So fourth data, what we find it, that this particular, suppose I am writing here, I am copying this, I'll write here. Okay, copy. Now I am doing here paste. Now this one I am making fourth. Okay, fourth data dot log. Fourth data, fourth equals to data dot log. Now I am changing the name. This name, suppose I am giving the name of array. Oh, sorry. All should be in capital letter R.